Hello there, gorgeous. Today we are going to conquer the winged liner, so let's break it down. There is a gorgeous jet black liner that glides on easily, as well as a blue liner for that extra pop of color. Let's get some regular makeup on and then dive into the winged liner tutorial. I'm using the Bar By Reema Pro Definer Pencil along with the Bombshell Brow Gel for my brows today. Going into the Drama Queen Face Kit, I'm doing a light eyeshadow just as a base for the winged liner. I like to use an angled brush, or you can use a detail brush, going into the blue gel liner. I start by drawing my liner slightly above the lash line, leaving some room for the black liner underneath. Or if you'd like, you can just do a single color liner. Our liner is looking absolutely gorgeous, so let's go in with some Va-Va-Voom Reema Beauty Mascara. We are wearing the gorgeous Sugar Daddy lashes from Bar By Reema, and next we are going to finish all of our face powders with the Drama Queen Face Kit. I hope you all love this look, and I cannot wait to see you all conquer the winged eyeliner. Keep practicing, and I promise your wings are going to slay all day.